Hello, I'm Araminta Matthews, the Associate Dean of Graduate and Professional Studies, and I wanted to show you a few brief tips about how to navigate Canvas and to complete the tasks that we're asking all faculty to complete in our learning management system. So to begin, you will see that we are on the Canvas login page, which both you and your students can use. It is https://canvas.meca.edu. And once you're here, you can actually log in with the orange button that says login with @meca.edu email. And when you do that, you're actually logging in with your Google email credentials, the same username and password that you would use when you were logging into your Google Suite for Education. So once you have logged in, then you will navigate to your dashboard. So what you see here is a list of all the courses that are published and unpublished. If this is your first time teaching, you will only see courses that are unpublished, but I'm going to show you how to publish courses by the end of this video. You will be navigated to the home page or landing page of your course site. And if it doesn't look like this, then go ahead and click on either modules or pages to find the page that resembles this. Not every class has a custom discipline banner, but don't be surprised too if the banner in your course site is different. Once there, you do need to click edit on this page, and you need to edit the content in your course homepage. So the course description should match the description that you have in the course catalog, the course description that's listed with the registrar. So go ahead and copy and paste that in there. Please paste in a faculty introduction, including an image of yourself, an email contact for you, a telephone number if you have an office phone number at MECA, and any other way you would like students to communicate with you, such as Slack, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is you might be using. Down below, you'll see quick access. This is student facing with some student instructions for them. And then below that, if you are not using these sections, please feel free to delete content that you're not using. But everything here is preloaded with information that your students may find useful, such as how to use announcements, the course inbox, the course calendar, conferences, discussions. You may decide you want to use all of those features, in which case you just want to add a little bit of description to each of those sections about how you will be using those features in your class. For instance, will you send an announcement every week with course updates? Will you be using the course inbox to send a group email to everybody so that you don't have to type in everybody's individual email address? You can just click that email button right here in Canvas and get everybody all at once. Will you be using the course calendar to help students navigate their to-do list? Will you be using conferences to meet with students in real time? Chances are you'll be using Zoom for that, so perhaps you want to just say we will use conferences over the Zoom platform. And then discussions. Will you be using a discussion board to keep your students engaged socially at a distance, or perhaps to extend discussions that happen in class, outside of class, over the period between your class sessions so that you can keep that discussion lively and active. Once you are done with these edits to your page, click Save. And you just want to make sure that the page is published. If it is not published, it will be red. It will have a circle with a slash through it. You want to make sure that it is published or your students will not be able to see it. In addition to updating your course homepage, we also ask that you upload a syllabus. So over here on the left, you can click the syllabus button, click Edit, and you can copy and paste the syllabus in. You can also insert it as a file, as an attachment using the Insert button, or you can attach it as a link if perhaps it's a Google document and you have a URL for it. Then when the student goes to navigate to the syllabus, they'll be able to download it in this section. One other aspect of this area, you'll notice course summary here at the bottom with date and details. If you do decide to use Canvas beyond just the course homepage and the syllabus, every time you set a deadline for an assignment or a discussion or a quiz or any other activity you set up in Canvas, you can set it so that it adds to the to-do list. So if you add a course deadline or if you add it to the to-do list, it will show up in this course summary here in the order of the deadlines. So your students will be able to use this as kind of a to-do list or a task tracker if you decide to use that feature of Canvas. Once you are done updating your syllabus, you click the Update Syllabus button, and you're done. So the last thing you need to do is to publish your course, and the simplest way to publish your course is to do so from the dashboard. So I'm actually going to click Dashboard, back out. I'm going to look for a course that I have that is unpublished, just to demonstrate this for you. So here is an unpublished course, and I can tell because it's asking me to publish it with this button here. I'm going to click Publish. And now my course is visible to any students who are enrolled in it. So it is important that you remember to publish your course on the first day of classes so that your students can access the syllabus and any materials that you've put in Canvas. So just a reminder, click that Publish button in the dashboard to do that. While I have you, very quickly, if you decide you want to record videos of demos or of yourself communicating with students, the Studio button here will allow you to do that. It is an automatic recorder. It can record either your screen, which is a screencast, or it can record your face like a webcam, like a talking head video. And it automatically puts a recording in your Canvas space so you can plug that recording into any class through announcements or discussions or wherever else you might like to use it. You can email it to your students directly, for instance. This Help button here offers a variety of help features for you and your students, including a training services portal. If you'd like to learn more about how to use Canvas to engage your students, you can use this. You can also reach out to your instructional design team. Eleni Margaronis, who is our grant-funded instructional designer, is available for the month of January at emargaronis@meca.edu, or you're welcome to email me as well, amatthews@meca.edu. Okay, that's it for your Spring 21 update and reminder about how to publish courses, how to add your syllabus, how to update your course homepage, and where you can find some important resources. Thank you. Reach out if you have questions.